It's no secret that trying to impress a girl can be a daunting task. The idea of going out of your way to win her heart can be both exciting and intimidating. In some cases, it may feel like no matter what you do, it will all fall on deaf ears. It's no surprise that feeling overwhelmed is natural, but it doesn't have to be that way. By following a few simple rules, you can ensure that your love interest will be charmed for years to come. From showing attention to remembering the details, there are many ways to ensure that your crush will have eyes for only you. In this video, we are going to present you with 7 of the best ways to impress a girl and guarantee her lasting admiration for your effort. Number 1. Demonstrate chivalry. Demonstrating chivalry is one of the most important ways to impress a girl. Chivalry is more than just being polite or courteous. It shows respect, genuine care, and attention to detail. Chivalrous men make a point of opening doors, holding up umbrellas, and understanding when a girl needs more help or when she needs to be left alone. If you are currently trying to impress a girl, make sure you open her door as she enters and exits your car, or pull out her chair when you're about to have dinner together. Furthermore, when hosting her or being around her, try to make her feel as comfortable as possible. Providing her with food and drinks and making sure she has what she needs indicates that you are thinking of her and care about her well-being. Always practice common courtesy, show respect, and be attentive, and you'll be sure to make a great impression on the girl in no time. Number 2. Compliment her. Complimenting a girl is one of the most effective ways to impress her. A sincere compliment lets her know that you take notice of her qualities and pay attention to the details. One of the ways to compliment her is to acknowledge her unique talents and abilities. A girl would be pleased if you take notice of something she takes pride in doing. When complimenting her, make sure your compliments are genuine and don't overdo it. Too many compliments can make you come off as insincere. Put some thought into your compliments. Let her know you care. Finally, look her in the eye when you compliment her. Your gaze speaks volumes and will indicate to her that you mean what you say. Complimenting a girl not only makes her feel appreciated, but will also earn you major points in her book. It's an evergreen way to make sure you are making an impression on her. Number 3. Listen to her. In expressing love and admiration for a girl, one of the key actions that you can take to make sure that your affections are well received and to enact the strongest impression upon her is to listen to her. Don't just hear the words that she is saying, but make sure to take a deeper look into the meaning behind them. Listen to what she has to say in order to understand her underlying messages, determine how her mind works, and truly understand her. Let her know that her opinion matters, that you have an interest in what she has to say, and that you are willing to take a moment to stop and listen attentively. Make sure to also ask questions that will give her the opportunity to further explore her thoughts and feelings. Show that you value her insights and that you want to personally connect to her. Listening can be a way to truly impress a girl. Number 4. Make her feel special. Being able to impress a girl can be very difficult, especially if you really like her. However, it is possible to make her smile and potentially capture her heart if you approach things the right way. An effective way to impress a girl is to make her feel special. Show her that she is important and give her the attention she deserves. Compliment her and make sure she feels appreciated. Ask her opinion on things and really take the time to listen to her. Doing things that make her feel special will show her that you really care about her and that you are willing to take the necessary effort to make her happy. Be genuine and honest, and always prioritize her comfort. Genuinely making her feel like she is important will score you major points and will help you to impress the girl of your dreams. Number 5. Research her interests. If you want to make an impression on a girl, it's important to show her that you're interested in what she's interested in. Research ahead of time to gain insight into her interests and hobbies. Ask her what movies she likes, what music she listens to, or what her hobbies and passions are. Once you understand her interests, you can tailor your conversations to further engage her and show her that you have listened to and cared about what she said. You might be able to make additional connections, or even provide her with useful information rooted in your research. Doing this demonstrates a level of thoughtfulness and indicates that you are paying attention to her and view her as a like-minded person with shared interests. Researching her interests can be a great place to start when trying to impress a girl. Number 6. Make eye contact. Making eye contact is one of the best nonverbal ways to impress a girl. It shows that you are confident, self-assured, and interested in her as an individual. Establishing eye contact with her will allow you to convey your personality and inner strength without ever uttering a word, and both of those qualities are sure to impress her. Moreover, eye contact shows that you are sincere about what you're saying, that you have nothing to hide, and that you're willing to look another person in the eye and listen attentively. In addition, when making eye contact with a girl, you can convey your feelings while maintaining your composure. Maintaining a calm, relaxed demeanor while making eye contact conveys a certain security and self-awareness are two qualities that many women find attractive. To further ensure your success, maintain eye contact even when you're talking, to make her feel like you are really paying attention to her. Number 7. Be yourself. When it comes to impressing a girl, the most important rule to remember is to be yourself. A girl will be immediately turned off by a guy who is clearly trying to put on a facade. Be genuine and down to earth, showing her your real self. Letting her know your sense of humor, personality type, likes, and passions is a great way to give her an insight into who you are. Also, it's important to avoid bragging or trying to outdo her, as this will not make a good impression. In addition, show that you are confident and comfortable with who you are. Make sure you come across as polished, but not too put together. It's important to show a girl that you can take care of yourself, even something as small as looking presentable. Show her your thoughtfulness, and you will be sure to make a good impression. By following these 7 steps, you can feel confident in approaching and impressing a girl. Be yourself, bring interesting topics to the table, have a sense of humor, be kind and chivalrous, and show support when it's necessary. Doing these things will most certainly capture her attention and leave her with an impressionable image of you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned to such factful content. Thanks for watching.